Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to create a custom resolution in NVIDIA Control Panel. So you're going to go into your desktop, press right click and then go NVIDIA Control Panel, wait for it to open. Once it's open, you're basically going to go in the left side and adjust desktop size and position. Make sure you have the right monitor selected, and then over here is your current resolution. You can change your resolution this way, but if you want a custom one, you're basically going to go up here, change resolution. You can also change them from here, so customize. If you want a custom one, create custom resolution, and then you can enter like horizontal pixels, the vertical pixels, the refresh rate. Make sure you do have the highest option always on that one. And then timing, I just leave this automatic. Basically all you have to do is just type in the resolution that you want, scan type, leave it progressive as well, and then you can just press test and just save it. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Wish you a like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.